Join me as I dive deep into the mysterious world of YouTube's algorithm and try to figure out what really makes it tick. YouTube's algorithm is the heartbeat of the platform, deciding what content viewers see and when they see it. But have you ever stopped to think about how it works and why it's so crucial for content creators to understand it? When it comes to getting your videos noticed, the competition is fierce. With over 500 hours of content uploaded to YouTube every minute, it can feel like your video is just a tiny drop in an endless ocean. You put your heart and soul into creating high-quality content, but despite your best efforts, it's not gaining the traction you had hoped for. You start to wonder, is it something I'm doing wrong? Or is it just plain bad luck? The struggle is real, folks. Many creators have been driven to the brink of frustration, trying to figure out the secret to getting their videos seen by the right people. But the truth is, it's not just about creating great content, it's about understanding how to work with the algorithm to increase your video's visibility. Another major challenge creators face is the ever-changing landscape of YouTube's algorithm. What works today might not work tomorrow, and it's hard to keep up with the constant updates and tweaks. It's like trying to hit a moving target, and it can be overwhelming. So, how do you adapt and thrive in this environment? Well, it all starts with understanding how the algorithm works. Watch time is a critical factor in the algorithm's decision-making process. It's not just about how many views your video gets, but rather how long viewers are engaging with your content. The longer they watch, the higher you'll rank in search results and recommendations. Engagement is another key player in the algorithm's game of video recommendations. This includes likes, comments, and shares, but it's not just about the numbers, it's about the quality of those interactions. Are viewers really resonating with your content, or are they just clicking like out of obligation? Content relevance is also a crucial element in the algorithm's calculations. Is your video really answering the viewer's query, or is it just a shallow attempt to game the system? The algorithm is getting smarter by the day, and it can spot a fake from a mile away. So, what's the secret to optimizing your content for the algorithm? Well, it all boils down to one critical insight: it's not about gaming the system, it's about creating content that genuinely resonates with your audience. When you focus on creating high-quality, engaging, and relevant content, you're more likely to attract viewers who will watch your video until the end, like, comment, and share it with others. And that, my friends, is the key to success on YouTube. By adapting your strategy to focus on the human element, rather than just trying to manipulate the algorithm, you'll be miles ahead of the competition. It's not a quick fix, but it's a long-term approach that will yield real results. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? YouTube's algorithm is a complex beast, but by understanding how it works and focusing on creating content that resonates with your audience, you can increase your video's visibility and succeed in this ever-changing landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with the algorithm in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel.